Last time on Cat Trial 10 Tech Test, twin brothers Austin and Tyler each took a run at the course. In the end, it was Tyler who finished ahead of his brother, but solid efforts from both of them.
Amazing what Tech Test brings out in our contestants.
Welcome to Cat Trial 10 Tech Test. I'm Rutledge Wood.
And I'm Griffin Rio. Thanks for checking out episode 4.
Who have you got next, Becky?
I'm down here with Renee. And Renee, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
My name is Renee Sanchez. I'm 31. I'm from El Paso, Texas, representing Wagner Equipment Company. And I'm here ready to do this competition.
3, 2, 1.
All right, Renee is off, charging up those steps. That's what we like to see.
Full speed ahead to the can test here.
Growing up, pretty much, my dad was always messing with vehicles. He had his own truck company, and he made it. All his trucks had Caterpillar engines in them. So from there, I kind of like knew about Caterpillar and stuff. I joined the military. I did 6 years, and while I was in my MOS, my job was a diesel mechanic. And I always said if I get in with Caterpillar, I'll stay as a diesel mechanic.
This whole challenge, thinking about what you're doing, looking at the parts that are in front of you and understanding that you can try to go fast, but if you go too fast and you skip the importance of what's actually in front of you, you're really just going to cost yourself more time. And we see that in and out of job sites every single day all over the world.
Working for the Cat dealer is awesome. Everybody's really helpful. You have a really big support system, especially since you're doing the apprenticeship program. If you have any questions or anything, they're willing to help you out.
Boom, and just like that, Renee is headed up the rock wall. Oh, he is flying up that thing.
What we're highlighting with some of these images is the CAT services. So one he just put up is our certified rebuild program. Our products are designed to be rebuilt with multiple lives. Not many competitors can say that at all. Another one that we are working with is the planned maintenance kits. So for our customers that want to service their own equipment, we've got a comprehensive maintenance kit that has all the parts and the documentation to do it.
Isn't that cool?
During this pandemic, we're essential workers. It feels pretty good that you need to keep these machines up and running because the world doesn't really stop.
He's filling that parts order submitted by one of our customers from the CAT app. And then after he makes sure that that parts order is filled accurately, then he's got to do a quick safety walk around on his service truck before he heads out to the field.
Wow, Renee throwing down a heater. Find out how he does on the next Cat Trial 10 Tech Test.